and welcome to the KSM Wealth Monthly Market Wrap. My name is Jessica Truong and I'll be taking you through what has been happening in the month of June. It's the end of financial year and following a strong month of trade, local markets took a small dive last Friday as investors sold off stocks in a bid to lock in profits after a strong financial year. Our share market is up 15% over the last 12 months. That's an astounding 29% growth over the last 2 years. We kicked off the month with Australia's GDP growth being better than expected, having risen by 1.1% in the March quarter. Employment was down slightly and there is some concern surrounding the slump in consumer confidence as it has failed to bounce back up following the budget. For the past 4 years we've experienced a June correction, however no major decline in the share market has happened yet this year. The Aussie dollar was also been high, trading above the 94 US cents mark for most of the month on the back of a weakening US dollar. Global markets were influenced by a variety of mixed economic data releases and global current affairs in June. The violence and turmoil in Iraq made investors very cautious to start with. However, US markets produced record highs throughout the month. Any dips that did occur in the US stock market were largely due to profit taking. June saw several major announcements. US real GDP shrunk by 2.9% for the first quarter of the year, and the Federal Reserve cut back its monthly asset purchases by another $10 billion. Over in the EU, the European Central Bank cut interest rates to encourage banks to increase their lending as a way to prevent deflation and stimulate growth. The outlook on markets indicates shares are still likely to remain vulnerable to a correction. The conflict in Ukraine and Iraq should hopefully remain as risks and not threats. Interest rate hikes for us are unlikely until next year. However, we may see earlier than expected Fed rate hikes over in coming months over in the US. Allowing for an expected correction sometime this year, there is no indication as yet that the broad upward trend in shares won't continue. Once again, my name is Jessica Truong. Please stay tuned next time for the KSM Wealth Monthly Market Wrap for the month of July. And for more information on the financial markets, please visit ksmwealth.com.au. Thank you.